Guys, this is going to blow your mind. This is just insane. Listen to this. Girassi just scored a hat-trick against Barcelona, arguably the best team in Europe at the moment, right? Scored 3 goals against Barcelona. In fact, he's the top scorer in the Champions League this season. Took the man of the match against Barcelona, scored more than any other player in this season's UEFA Champions League, even though Dortmund are now out, right? And he's from Guinea. So 3 goals against Barca, but he couldn't score against Somaliya. How are you scoring 3 goals against Barcelona, but you can't get 1 against Somaliya? Are Somaliya better defensively than Barcelona? This is mad. What a game that was, though. Ben Sebaini assisting Girassi with a header, and then Girassi scores another header. But then Ben Sebaini scored an own goal, and ultimately Dortmund go out. But the fact that Girassi can't score 1 goal for Guinea against Somaliya, but scores 3 against Barca, I just find that insane. And it's why we love the African game for stories like this. Unreal.